Hello, my friends. Mark is in the house. My name is Mark. Nice to meet you. How are you? Oh, so this is it, right? The trimmer by Andis, and it's really, really cool. It's brand new. I just got it. And the first thing that stands out, it's really quite heavy, I have to say. Not like a brick, but the way it feels, boy. Not like the more modern ones that are kind of made of plastic and have thousands of attachments and all that stuff. This only has this one attachment. Well, I'm actually lying, so to speak. There's the other one that you have to put on top. I will show you later. But basically, this is obviously not for body hair. This is not for thinning hair. This is only really for your beard. And then, of course, everything that is head related, right? This is the kind of stuff that is also used by barbers. Okay, so let me show you before we give it a little try here what else came with it. A brush. Not quite sure what this does, to be honest, but that's me being stupid. The use and care instructions and a little bit of oil, for maintenance. So maintenance instructions are also in here, and so on and so forth. So that's it. Other than that, you have to plug it in. It's plugged in, right? This is not running on some battery or whatever. You cannot charge this, but it has to be plugged in. Old school, okay? And then, yeah. I don't know if you could see that out of the corner of my eye. I could see some of that falling down, but it's really cool. And yeah, for all these good things, yeah, I like it. Have a great day.